Okay, welcome back to the shop. I've set up a jig here on the bench so I can test out this main landing gear and see if we can figure out what the problem is. So I thought I'd document my progress. Right now, the only change I've made is I put a little limit, a 10 thousandths limit behind the push rod roller that in the cam that operates the gear to limit the amount of travel it goes up into the gear lock, to see if that makes any difference. And I've filed just a touch off of the edge of the lock gear, so we'll give that a try. I've also got the air bleed set on the Robart valve low, so it takes a little while for the air to bleed off. So here's what it looks like right now. That wasn't too bad a release. It was better than it was in the airplane. But okay, well, I'm going to make a couple other little changes and then we'll document that and see what goes on from there. Okay, I made another little change here. It's not actually a change, but I just had an idea. This product you see right here is called Magnalube G PTFE grease. I bought this from Bimba Air Cylinders years ago, and they claim that if you use this in your air cylinders, you will get a minimum of 1 million cycles before the seals go out. So I've always used it, and it's never failed, and I've never had a cylinder fail. So I thought I'd try it on the Retracts. Because it does say on here that it deposits a fine productive lubricating film on metal parts and is virtually unaffected by any moisture that may migrate. Probably can't read that, but that's what it says, and I've tried it and it makes a big difference here. So here's what happens with the Magnalube. Now, how's that for a sweet difference in action? It allows that lock to come off instantly, and then the back pressure valve on the retract valve becomes effective. What was happening before was because the lock was having such a hard time getting out of the cam lock, the air was all bleeding out, the back pressure air was all bleeding off. So that by the time the lock actually unlocked, there was no pressure to limit how hard the gear extended. So now, with as you can see, with the release, then the air valve becomes effective, and the cycles are much smoother. I cannot believe the difference. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this part and take that limit I put in there out and see if that makes any difference. Bye for now. Okay, I've taken out the limit stop, so now we have full travel up into the locking mechanism, so I've got the best possible lock in the up position. And as you can see, works like a charm. Just a little bit of grease. Amazing. That's the action I was looking for. You get that cushion as the gear come down, so you don't get that bang and slam. And it's just a matter of the metal trying to move and this lubricant freeing things up. So that looks like a good deal. I'll take the other gear out and we'll lube it and check it out, and then do the same for the nose gear. I think we should be good to go. Okay, welcome back again. So the final thing to do after we've done all the lubrication and everything of the gear is put it all back together again and see how they come down. So here we go. Gear switch tripped. Well, let's not try this. Yeah. much less clunky and dramatic than before. So I think that'll do it. Good. I'm pleased with that. Get a good lock. Takes about 7-8 seconds for that to happen. Come back up again. Third retract cycle. Good positive lock. Both sides. Coming down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And lock on the nose gear. 9, 10. See if we can get a fourth cycle on here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gear nose gear. 5, 7. Oh yeah. Yeah, that'll work good. I'm happy with that. I will pull them back up. Lock them. Close the doors. And all ready to take her out and do some engine tests. Okay guys, we'll see you later. Bye.